Hello everyone, welcome to Chrisdom Investor, where you get timely, quality and unbiased opinion on the stocks and investment opportunities. India is the leading IT sourcing destination across the world, accounting for approximately 55% market share. The IT sector in India stood at $177 billion in 2019, witnessing a growth of 6.1% year on year, and it is estimated that the size of the industry will grow up to $350 billion by 2025. Leading Indian IT firms like Infosys, Wipro, TCS and Tech Mahindra are diversifying their offerings and showcasing leading ideas in blockchain and artificial intelligence to clients, using innovation hubs and research and development centers to create differentiated offerings. There are also some small companies in the same segment pushing their horizons to grow big in this sector. Few have strong management and yet to start their journey. In this video, I will present to you 10 penny, micro cap and small cap stocks from the IT sector, which has the potential to grow big in the future. If you want to encourage me to make more videos in the future, please do like and share the video. If you are new to my channel and looking for fresh content on stock markets, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let us take up stock number 1. This company has a market cap of rupees 443.3 crores and the current share price at rupees 75.2. Stock PE at 8, which is far less than the industry PE of 20.85. It is having a book value at rupees 117.78 and trading at 0.64 times its book value. Promoter shareholding at 74.29%. It is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 1.33%. The stock is trading below its true valuation and just started its uptrend journey. The company name is Datamatics Global Services Limited. I recommend this company because it has emerged as a global provider of information technology and business process management (BPM). Within a short time, it has established itself in the business areas of IoT and robotic automation as well. Company's cash flows have improved significantly in this financial year and expect to improve its top line. Let's move on to stock number 2. This company has a market cap of rupees 158 crores and the current share price at rupees 69.45. Stock PE at 6.38, which is far less than the industry PE of 20.85. It is having a book value of rupees 238. Stock is trading at 0.29 times its book value. It gave a 3-month return at 52%. Stock price has bottomed out. It is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 2.88%. The company name is RN Pro Solutions Limited. It is a technology products and solutions provider that helps enterprises accelerate digital innovation securely and efficiently. It is specialized in AI-based surveillance management systems. Recently, it won orders from Rail Vikas Nigam, Singapore Bank, and many PSUs in India. It meets my technical criteria along with having a strong management. Let's get into stock number 3. This company has a market cap of 102 crores and the current share price at rupees 63.2. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 77 and rupees 34.3 respectively. Price has bottomed out recently. It has a debt to equity ratio at 0.43, which means tolerable debt with reference to its equity, and having a positive book value at rupees 58. Promoter shareholding at 62.21%. The company is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 2.37%. The company name is Onward Technologies Limited. It is a service provider engaged in execution across the engineering services and the digital transformation suite, embedded systems, data analytics, data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning. It has strong presence in automotive services for the emerging electric vehicle segment. This company's valuations are attractive for long-term investors. Let's move on to stock number 4. This company has a market cap of 670 crores and the current share price at rupees 45.35. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 120.55 and rupees 36.25 respectively. It has a book value at rupees 106.49. Promoter shareholding at 58.65%. The company has reduced debt in the last quarter. Stock is trading at 0.43 times its book value. This company is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 2.21%. The company's name is Take Solutions. Take Solutions and its subsidiaries provide domain-intense services and solutions in life sciences and supply chain management. The company management is selling its non-core business to emerge as a key player in the life sciences segment. A complete overhaul of the company is ongoing. Price is at the verge of bottoming out. Let's move on to stock number 5. This company has a market cap of rupees 42.47 crores and the current share price at rupees 32.5. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 37.7 and rupees 10.3 respectively. It gave 6 months returns at 210%. It is virtually debt-free and has a book value at rupees 160. Promoter shareholding at 29.33%. Stock is trading at 0.2 times its book value. Company has delivered good profit growth of 37.49% CAGR over the last 5 years. The company name is IZMO Limited. It is a renowned company in delivering automotive solutions. It is engaged in interactive marketing solutions. The company offers high-tech automotive e-retail solutions. I recommend this company because apart from improving fundamentals, it has also ranked 70th in India's Growth Champions conducted by Economic Times. Let's move on to stock number 6. This company has a market cap of rupees 116 crores and the current share price at rupees 29.35. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 50.05 and rupees 16.45 respectively. Promoter shareholding at 69.95%. Return on equity at more than 80%, which is a positive sign. Company has reduced debt significantly. The company name is Inspirasys Solutions Limited. This company has strong footprint in the cybersecurity segment. It is a subsidiary company of CAC Holdings Corporation based out of Tokyo, Japan. Most of the PSU banks are its clients. Let's move on to stock number 7. This company has a market cap of 72 crores and the current share price at rupees 28.45. 52 weeks high and low are 44.5 and rupees 11.45 respectively. It is virtually debt free and has a book value of rupees 50. Stock is trading at 0.57 times its book value. Promoter shareholding at 65.15%. This company is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 3.51%. The company name is Mindtech India Limited. Mindtech's core offerings are in product engineering, application software, electronic design, testing and enterprise business services. Most of its clients are from the Middle East and US. Its expertise in IT solutions is in the storage, medical device, semiconductor and analytical instrument industries. Let's move on to stock number 8. This company has a market cap of rupees 111 crores and the current share price at rupees 22.05. It is virtually debt free. Stock PE at 6.8, which is far less than the industry PE of 20.85 and having a book value at rupees 90.9. Promoter shareholding at 49.3%. FIIs are holding 0.04%. The company's sales, profit, stock price and return on equity have started growing continuously from the trailing 12 months, which is a big positive sign. The company is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 2.26%. The company name is Allied Digital Services Limited. It is a global provider of managed IT solutions that help optimize and transform IT infrastructure and end user service. Let's move on to stock number 9. This company has a market cap of rupees 19.56 crores and the current share price at rupees 16.55. The company is virtually debt free and has a book value of rupees 383. The stock price is showing upward momentum since last week. Stock is trading at 0.04 times its book value. Stock PE at 6.38, which is far less than the industry PE of 20.85. Promoter shareholding at 27.13%. FIIs and DIIs also hold the stakes in this company. This company is a dividend paying company at a dividend yield of 3.02%. The company name is Trezara Solutions Limited. Trezara is having presence in multiple countries and founded by the promoters of the technology giant Orion Pro Solutions Limited. The company offers bespoke development, infrastructure and database analysis and supply chain management solutions. Now let's focus on stock number 10. This company has a market cap of rupees 3 crores and the current share price at rupees 7.35. 52 weeks high and low are rupees 19.5 and 5.43 respectively. It is virtually debt free and having a book value at rupees 32.26. Stock is trading at 0.23 times its book value. Market value of investments rupees 7.8 crores is more than the market cap of rupees 3.06 crores, which means company is available at a cheaper price. Promoter shareholding at 74.99%. Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, holding 9.23% of stake in this company. The company name is Infont Technologies India Limited. It is operating as IT-enabled, knowledge-based back-office processing center for the finance industry. It has a strong R&D team and management is reliable. Share is available at a cheap price since it has to post strong top and bottom line to see a big up move in the future. Would ever quality come cheap? Be it in real life or even in stock markets. Good things or quality stuff would never come under cheap prices. However, there can be very few turnaround stories, kind of once in hundreds, which would turn out to be a big multi-bagger. One needs to understand why some of these are penny stocks. There should be certain reasons behind it, else the counter wouldn't have been a penny stock. In my opinion, one can enter this stock as per your risk-reward ratios. Keep a stop loss of at least 25% for the long term. For beginners, one may plan to invest 5,000 rupees in each stock and build their portfolio. I will post more updates on this script in the near future. So it's investors' call to invest in these stocks, fixed deposits or any other instruments by deliberating on the risk and reward of the instruments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and your investments.